Good evening guys, Madhu this side, and today we are going to discuss on how are you actually going to set up Facebook lead generation ad. Alright, so let's start. So initially what you have to do is you have to create a Facebook ads manager account and navigate to the ads manager dashboard. Right, so click on the first link. Okay, then go to ads manager. Okay, so what you can do is click on your account name here. Okay, now what you can do is you can click on your campaigns tab. Alright, then you can click on plus create button here. Okay, so here you will have different campaign objectives: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. So you can click on leads and click on continue. Okay, so it closes. I'll say here as point campaign. Alright, then keep this as blank options. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. Click on next. So I see here as point ads set. Okay, I'll see here as instant form conversion location. Location it should be instant forms here. Okay, so then you have to connect your Facebook page here. So I'll connect my Facebook page, picnic point. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to define a budget. So I see 800 rupees per day, and I'll run the ad for 2 days. Okay, so it's set an end date here. So create your start date and end date here. So I'll keep it here as 4th of April. Okay, then here you can set up your audience targeting. Okay, so create new audience or use save audience, right? So for now we will work on interest targeting, behavior targeting. Okay, so then you have to define your age range. So I say my location is India, so I'll also change my location here. Okay, so I see here as okay, so in the city I also want that. Okay, define your location. Then what you can do is you can opt for detailed targeting, demographic, interest and behavior. Click on edit. So I'll see here as picnic. Okay, so this is my interest targeting here. Okay, yes, so I'll say picnic spot. Okay, so then it will give me suggestions here, right? So now you can offer the suggestions, right? So it's like camping. Okay, I'll say here as camping option, right? Then campfire, right? Suggestions here. Click on adventure, travel, interest. Right, then what I can do is I click on campsite, interest here. Okay, then once you click on the suggestion tab, you can click on the browse tab here. Here you will have demographic, interest, behavior. So let's say I click on the behavior tab. So I see as consumer classification for now. I click on India. Then I say people in India who prefer high value goods. So I select this option here. Okay, that's how it is. I hope this is clear, guys. Yes. So then I click on next. Alright, so now we'll set up the ad here, right? So I'll say here new lead ads. So I'll say Nick font lead ads here. Okay, scroll down. Okay, so you can connect your Instagram account or Facebook page as well, either of it. Then we'll set up the ad here. So in the ad format, you have two options here: single image or video or carousel, right? So I say a single image or video. Then here you will have two options in ad creative: add media or create video. Add media, I'll say I'll click on add video here. Alright, so I'll click on upload. Okay, so we are uploading the video over here as well. Alright, so this is getting uploaded, so hang on for a few seconds. In the meanwhile, we'll go to the deck. Okay, so then what I have explained here is when you're setting up a Facebook lead generation ad campaign, you have to click on plus create button and select the lead generation option from the drop down menu, right? Then you have to choose your Facebook page that you want to use to run the ads here. Okay, then what you can do is you can select the audience that you want to target with your ads. You can choose Facebook targeting options to narrow down your audience based on the demographic, interest, behavior. But when you're newly starting up a campaign, I suggest that first you should offer broad targeting, then you should do for narrow targeting here. Alright, then you have to set your budget and bidding strategy for the ads here, right? Then what you can do is you can create the ad creative for your lead generation ad. This could include an eye-catching image or video, a clear, concise headline, and a brief description that highlights the key benefits. Then what you can do is you can set up the lead form for your ad. This is where potential customers will provide their contact information to learn more about your product or service. Make sure to include field for your name, email address, and phone number. Okay, so we are on slide number 8 here, right? Okay, so here it is. So we'll upload this. Okay, or we can select a new video here. We'll select this video. Okay, so let's try a different one. We'll close this. Right, so once again, guys. Okay, I click on cancel here. I select this and then click on next. And here it is, guys. We have the video plotted over here. Okay, so you have to select your media crop for placement here, right? So okay, so what I'll suggest is 9:16, which is recommended. Okay, so I'll say 1:1. Okay, then you can have it here as original format and click on next. Okay, so then click on done. Yes, so this is getting uploaded. Okay, so once we set up the ad campaign, then we'll add the payment option as well. Okay, so now we will add our headline here. Okay, so and add the headline here, short headline. Okay, so I'll enter the description here. Okay, I'll copy the description here. Alright, click on sign up. Yes, Now then what you can do is you can create a form over here. Okay, so here you will have different options as say picnic point lead form. Okay, so here you'll have different types, like form type you have more volume, higher intent, custom, right? So I'll say here as more volume, use a form that's quick to fill in and submit on a mobile device here. So just see different options. Initially you will have options of intro, right? So what you can do is you can upload an image here, right? So what you can do is go to the website here. Okay, so I'll click here on save image. Okay, upload image here. One second guys, so we'll redo it once again. I'll copy this image, I'll go to MS Paint, Control V, and I click on save here. I click on downloads, and see here's PP1. I select the format here as JPG, click on save. Okay, and I upload image here, PP1. So this is getting uploaded. Alright, so I'll say short headline here as welcome to picnic point. Okay, description here. Okay, so now I did this first form type, more volume we did, right? Intro, we added the background image here. Okay, then you can add the questions here. Okay, so here it is, add questions, click on plus add questions. So you want short answers, right? So I'll say short answers here. You'll say your name, then click on add question, short answer, email address. Okay, and short answer, contact number, okay, then you go back to questions here. Okay, you can say short answer, are you looking for a picnic? So what I do is add the custom question here, right? Are you looking for a picnic? Right, so this is okay. So intro we added here. Right, see the options now. We added the questions also. Okay, name, email address, contact number, and a custom question here. We added that. Now we need to add the privacy policy, right? So picnic point privacy policy, we have added here. We click on the privacy policy page here, Control C, add a link to your privacy policy page here. Okay, policy. Alright, I hope this is clear guys. Yeah, so see here it is, we added questions. So now we also added privacy policy, now message for the leads. See. Okay, thank you, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form. Now what you have to do is, in this situation you need to understand whether have you filled the components. Okay, so if you have filled all the components here, all right, so then definitely your ad will be published, otherwise it will be a error. So we will do the testing, okay, because I would like to see if there are any errors. If there are any errors here, then definitely we'll fix it. All right, so here it is, see, sharing only people who receive your ad delivery directly and submit this form restricted, or your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. So we'll see here open for now. Okay, so here you have field names, you have tracking parameters as well, right? Click on view website. First what you should do is click on save draft. Okay, so your all changes have been saved to draft. So I'll say click on cancel. I click on content here. So we'll just see whether we have filled all the information here as well. Okay, now try to publish. See, now here we will have errors, right? So see what errors it is having, we need to understand. Okay, so because I did this intentionally, because here you need to understand, please provide a valid website URL, right? So go to error. Okay, so scroll down here, add a link. Here it is, picnicpoint.com, right? Okay, so we have done this. Okay, so we have added the message here. Okay, so here we have two errors. You must let people know how you use the data here. So basically so this is one error. If I click here also, so for now that's not required, and you can tell if your content is required if a context card has been selected for lead ad, right? So if I click on content here, okay, so these are the two errors, guys, which you need to fix. So now you need to understand how are you going to fix these errors. Okay, so basically Facebook has changed his policy guidelines for the lead generation ad, because Facebook is more secure about their user data, right? So Facebook tells us that how are you going to do that. Okay, so basically you need to set up the format here. Okay, so this is how it is. You must tell people. Okay, so you can fix these errors once your campaign goes live. Okay, so your campaign is right now in the draft mode, right? So you can actually let people know how you can use the data. Okay, so this is how it is, and you can see your campaign is actually done. So in our next session, actually guys, we will fix this two errors, then we will set up the payment method. Okay, and then our campaign will go live. Okay, and once a campaign goes live, right, so for first 7 days it will be A/B testing to understand how the ad is performing. All right, okay, so see, we have saved this as draft. We have not published it because yet we have to fix those two errors, and then what we have to do is we also have to make the payment to Facebook as well. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. So you can set up the lead form on your ad, then you can customize the thank you screen that appears after someone submits their lead form. This is an opportunity to thank them for their interest and provide additional information about your product or service. Then you can review and publish your ad. Then Facebook will review your ad to ensure it complies with their advertising policies before it actually goes live, right? Then what you can do is you can actually monitor your ad performance, right? So once a campaign goes live, then you have to optimize the campaign. So we will do step by step. Okay, so you can use Facebook ad analytics tool to track the number of leads generated, cost per lead, and other key metrics, right? So you can use this information to optimize your ad campaign and improve your results over time. So today was the first session on Facebook lead generation ad. So today I have shown you how you can do the basic setup, right? In the next session I'll tell you how you can do the advanced setup as well. Step by step we will do Facebook lead generation ad. There are multiple options, right? Website visits, you have instant form, Facebook Messenger, multiple options are there. Okay, so we'll do step by step and then understand the basic analogies for Facebook ad campaign. How are you going to make your campaign more effective to generate lead ads? How you can fix all those errors? How to add payment methods? Everything I show you step by step. Okay. So with this, I end my today's presentation, guys. If you need any help, you can send me a message in the comment section. I would be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.